Hey guys, it's Jocelyn McDonald, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can use flowers, to make creative makeup that undermines facial recognition. This is what I have for us. Some baby's breath and some irises and and also some glue, bobby pins and clips. And all together, this stuff's gonna come together to allow us to undermine facial recognition. What we're gonna do is grab a bunch of blooms, and I'm gonna apply those around my face to block out the data points that create an understanding of an outline of a face. Then we're gonna need to work on the eyeballs, the nose holes, and the lips, because those are also geometrically in a common relationship with each other that machine learning, AI, around facial recognition technologies knows. There's this relationship to this, to this. So we're gonna disrupt all that, all right? Let's get started. And this is when it kind of goes into fast motion. So see you on the other side. Okay, now we have some beautiful baby's breath framing my face. And what that's doing is disrupting a lot of the hairline, gradient, darkness pattern that it's looking for. But we're probably not out of the woods yet. In fact, let's see what Instagram has to say. And so a good way to check to see if your anti-facial recognition creative makeup application is working is to pull up a Instagram stories filter. Everyone likes the puppy dog one. I can see on my phone that it is identifying the puppy dog filter on me, which means it still recognizes that it's looking at a face. We need to work on hiding the lips, the eyes. What I do for that generally is to just bring out some more of the flower elements into the face line. I still like to leave a little opening if I can, so that you can see and go about your business and go out and hang out with your friends. But yeah, I kind of like the look of this. Enough to figure out later what to do with the irises, maybe to position them around here to block the mouth. But for now, we'll just work on adding some more baby's breath in to interrupt the eyebrow and to interrupt the nose line and to hide at least one of the nose shadows, because it's looking for two sort of within a relationship to each other. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, now I'm just looking at my iris and seeing what I can do with it. Oh, it's wet. Take off some of the, ooh, damp. Okay. So, nice, okay. So, grab my clip. Cool. Let's see what the Instagram puppy filter thinks about this. Okay, so I have it on the puppy filter and it doesn't recognize that it's looking at a face. So, yay, we're already successful at undermining facial recognition technology, but I think we can do better at making this creative makeup application look a little bit more daring, beautiful, what have you. So I'm gonna keep going. All right, so I'm using the puppy filter and we are good. It does not recognize a face. I'm turning all the way. Sometimes you can turn it in a way that it does start to recognize your face. And yeah, we're golden. It does not recognize a face here. We've interrupted enough of the data points, enough of the typical mathematical equation for a face, that at least many facial recognition tools and technologies would not be able to recognize our face. Awesome. So I'm ready to go. I love my look. I'm ready to go out with my friends and not be facially recognized. And yeah, they'll take pictures of me, put it on Instagram, Facebook, and Facebook's algorithm will not know it's me or who I'm hanging out with or where I went or what I ate. And so then it has less of an ability to do targeted advertising to me or surveillance capitalism. So I think this is a win-win-win. So I want to see what you do with anti-facial recognition technologies, creative makeup, explore, challenge yourself, challenge social media companies, and also challenge your legislators to do more to support you in your civil liberties. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Good luck. Be safe out there. Remember, your data is your own. Your face is your own. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Bye.